Hello everybody, we're going to cut the upper portion of the bottle, then cut this red craft paper and put it around this paper cup like this. Then we're going to put a double-sided tape on it, and same way repeat the same process of putting this red craft paper. After this we're going to put this yellow paper and look at the beautiful flower. Then we're going to put it on the top of the bottle, and then we're making a bouquet here. So cover it using these tissue papers and look, it is ready. Look at this beautiful heart-shaped pattern. Let's make it. We need bamboo sticks and red rubber band here. So take 2 bamboo sticks and tie a knot using 2 rubber bands. We are going to tie 2 rubber bands in 5 times like this, and then remove the same process like we're doing here. Leave 1 set of rubber band like this. After that, similarly we are going to again tie 5 sets of 2 rubber band one after another in the opposite direction and weave the pattern like this, and look, it is ready. Then again we are going to reverse the same process and make a heart shape. Look, it is ready. Finally put 1 single rubber band and tie a knot like this and remove the pattern and stretch it, and look, your beautiful heart shape is ready. Look at this bunny ears here band. Let's make it. So remove the white portion of the bottle and cover it using yellow strip of paper like this, and look, it is ready. Then we're going to make the ears. So cut it from another piece of paper like this and color it. We are doing a brown marker here, and then we're going to paste it. It's ready. Take a red clay and make a small ball. Press it and make the petals of the rose flower. Now roll all of them like we are doing here, and look, your beautiful rose flower is ready. Put a bamboo stick at the center. We are covering it using this tissue paper. So make dots on it and tie it like this, and look, it is ready. We're going to make this beautiful bird container. So take a square paper and start folding it from its diagonals like this. Now fold it and lift the beak like this. Again we're going to gently open the back side, and you will get 2 mini space like this, and look, it is ready. We're going to make this moving caterpillar using straw. So take a straw, stretch it and cut it like this. We're going to make the head of the caterpillar, so make multiple cuts using scissors. After that we are going to make the legs of the caterpillar, so make multiple cut on the bottom side of the straw like this and cut it. Look how we are doing here, and gently open it like this, and then your caterpillar is ready. You can mark lines on it and make dots, and look, it's ready. We're going to make this beautiful pen stand. So take a craft paper and fold it from its diagonals like this. Again fold it from its sides. Now open it. We are making crease here, so we are going to fold it, flip it, and again tuck it inside and make a shape like this. Make 6 such shapes and paste all of them one after another using glue. We are also pasting the base like this. Cut it and paste it, and look, your pen stand is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share.